Hello guys, today we are going to open Among Us Chromate figures. We are going to open these. These are Among Us Zuzi. Look at that. Oh my god, Among Us Zuzi. Okay, I hope we get the Zuzi imposter. Wow, this game is cool. Okay, let's open these. Oh no, we need scissors, but I can just. Wait. No, wait. We got. Here's like the corrector thing. There's this and this. Okay, we got the green Among Us guy. He's this one here. This one is rare. Oh my god, I got the rare.
Got the rare?
Yeah, we got the rare. Here's the pack. It actually looks really cool. And here's the front. One imposter Among Us, but I got the rare, not the ultra rare. So in here we have nothing else. Wait, yeah, nothing else but the rare guy here and the collector thing. So yeah, okay, that's mostly it. That's it about this Among Us pack. There's just this rare Among Us guy. Okay, bye. Okay, bye.